Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arini Kaif Atarig. I am from class 4C. Today, I will explain a narrative text entitled The Legend of Surabaya. Narrative text is a text that tells a story to entertain readers. Usually, narrative text has three generic structures. The first is orientation, the second is complication, and the last is resolution. The social function of narrative text is to entertain readers with imaginary or legendary stories. So, this is mind map. The topic is The Legend of Surabaya. The main idea is about two animals, Sura and Baya, who fought because of food and territory. The characters are Sura the shark and Baya the crocodile. The setting is in East Java a long time ago. The conflict happened because both animals wanted the same prey. The resolution is Sura returned to the sea and Baya stay on land. The moral value is we must keep promise and avoid greed. Now, I will explain the generic structure. The first part is orientation. In the sentence, a long time ago in East Java, the writer introduced the characters, place, and time. The second part is complication. In the sentence, Sura and Baya were fighting. The writer saw the problem in the story. They fought because they wanted the same food. The last part is resolution. In the sentence, Sura went back to the sea. The conflict is solved because both animals returned to their own territory. And the language features used in this text are simple past tense such as fought, went, and lived. There are also action verbs like attacked, fought, and returned. The text also uses adverbs of time, such as one day and finally. And from this story, I agree with the moral lessons because promise should be respected. This story is interesting because it explains the origin of Surabaya in a creative way. So, thank you for watching my explanation about narrative text and the next video. Okay everyone, the next video I will explain the report text. The title is Shark and Crocodile. Report text is a text describes something generally, such as animals, plants, or natural phenomena. The social function of report text is to describe information clearly. Report text usually has two generic structures: general clarification and description. So, this is mind map. The topic is shark and crocodile. The general classification introduced two strong animals, namely shark and crocodile. The description explained where they live, their conflict, and their behavior. So, the summary of the text is about the characteristic and conflict between the animals. The critical review is the text teach honesty and respecting agreements. Now, I will explain the generic structure. The first part is general classification. In the sentence, Sura was a shark and Baya was a crocodile. The writer introduced the topic of the text. The second part is description. In the sentence, they live in the sea. The writer explains the animal and their behavior. The language features used in this text are general nouns such as shark and crocodile. The text also uses relating verbs like was and were. There are action verbs such as fought and attacked. The text also uses past tense like live and went. So, in my opinion, this text is interesting because it combines information and legend. The text also teach moral value about honesty and promises. So thank you for listening to my explanation the report text. Thank you. Okay everyone, the last I will explain the procedure text. The title is How to Make a Cup of Coffee. Procedure text is a text that explains how to make or do something step by step. The social function of procedure text is to give instruction. The generic structure of procedure text are goal, materials, and steps. So, this is mind map. The goal is making a cup of coffee. The material or sugar, coffee powder, hot water, and spoon. The steps are preparing the materials, putting sugar into the cup, add the coffee powder, and pouring hot water, and last stirring well. So the summary is the text explains simple instruction to make coffee. The critical review is the instruction are easy and useful for daily life. Now I will explain the generic structure. The first part is goal. In the title, how to make a cup of coffee, the writer explains the purpose of the text. And the second part is material. This section contains the ingredients and tools needed. The last part is steps. This section explains the instruction step by step. And the language feature used in this text are imperative verbs such as prepare, pour, and stir. The text also uses action verbs like add and put. There are sequence words such as first, then, and finally. So, in my opinion, this product text is simple and easy to follow. The instructions are clear for readers. So, maybe that's all. Thank you for watching my explanation about procedure text. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.